You are what you eat, and food intake plays a vital role in health, appearance, and fitness of an individual. With the changing times and fast-paced lives, few people actually cook food at homes and have regular family meals. Jobs, social lives, and busy schedules are deterring more and more women from cooking at home, and most families end up eating outside food. Not only does this have a terrible effect on the health of individuals but also the social structure of the family. This paper aims to argue that food must be cooked at home and that eating home-cooked food is beneficial not only for maintaining good health but also for bonding the family. The fast-changing world and society have altered the structure of families and their lifestyles. Traditionally, while the men were at work, women stayed back and looked after their homes and cooked the food. Times are now changing and many women have to go to work, with the result that they have very little time for their families and homes. Fast foods and aerated drinks have become a part of the regular life and very little time is spent at the dining tables. This has resulted in terrible negative effects on the health of individuals, especially children. Burgers and fries have penetrated our lives like never before and replaced the more nutritious diets from our menus. While outside foods may seem to be tempting and convenient to those who do not have the time or desire to cook and eat their meals at home, hygiene and nutrition could be compromised when eating outside foods. These foods are rich in fats and other harmful substances and are causing several side effects to the health of individuals in the form of diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, and obesity, which have now become common in society. One of the most primary and important benefits of eating home-cooked food is the fact that since the food is prepared personally, we know what has gone to prepare the food. Not only does the consumption of calories, fats, and sodium rise dramatically in outside foods, the vegetables required for daily nutritional needs are often missing. Even if veggies are consumed, the conventional preparations are not found at restaurants or food joints. Eating at home also reduces the urge to overeat since the portions are a lot bigger at restaurants than at home. When food is cooked at home, the ingredients which go in the food can be decided by keeping in mind the advantages and disadvantages in mind. For instance, it is necessary to have a balanced meal by including all the vital ingredients to provide the daily allowances of iron, calcium, vitamins, minerals, and all the other nutrients for a healthy life. On the other hand, eating outside food does not guarantee that all the important nutrients are present in the food. An additional concern in eating outside food is whether the food is fresh and has been cooked appropriately. For instance, due to low turnover, sometimes restaurants and food joints can serve food which has been prepared many days earlier. Not only does this reduce the nutrient levels of the food, the chances of health problems are also increased tremendously. Food poisoning, gastroenteritis, and diarrhea are some of the commonly occurring diseases due to food infections. The most crucial and important function of eating food at home with family members is the quality time spent with them. Food also serves the social function of uniting the members, and eating meals together enables loved ones to be together. Members of the family, especially children, can be allowed to partake in the planning meals by asking them to help with the little tasks in the kitchen so that they have a sense of belonging and also begin to learn the basics of cooking. Besides, cultural values can also be shared with children and adolescents while preparing meals, which can become extremely enjoyable moments for the entire family. Feelings of unity and sharing can be created by all the members sharing the important tasks, which will also serve as crucial unifying factors and ensure that the family members share their views and opinions with one another. Most importantly, in the current times of high inflation and recession of the economy, cooking food at home can help families to economize on their budget and daily expenses. Buying food from outside is not cheap and definitely costs more than an ordinary home-cooked meal. Planning and cooking meals will enable individuals to save on their unnecessary expenses of eating outside foods and add tremendously to the savings of the family. Thus, it is apparent that eating home-cooked food has tremendous benefits and serves numerous functions. Not only does food cooked at home facilitates healthy eating habits, it also serves to unite the family members. Cooking at home also saves money, which can be used for more important needs. Study Corgi can help you make your studies smarter. Visit studycorgi.com for more samples like this, study tips, and writing tools.